In this video, I'm going to show you the features and functionality of the tripod used with the Panasonic camera. When you take the tripod out of its bag, you first want to extend the legs to the height required for the talent being recorded. Be sure you push the lock down to hold the leg in position. It is easier to get the camera level if you extend the legs to the same length before spreading them out. Remember that the level of the camera lens should be even with the eyes of your talent. You don't want to be looking up into their nose or have the camera above them looking down. Be aware that there are leg locks that will allow the tripod legs to extend wider. Normally, you want the lock to remain in the first or bottom position lock. After you set the legs to the appropriate height, you'll need to make sure the tripod head is balanced. To do this, unscrew the balance handle under the tripod head. This will allow you to move the head to balance it. There is a bubble on the tripod head that is used to determine if the tripod head is balanced. It has a light that can be turned on if it is needed. Tighten the handle once you have the tripod head in a level position. There is a side pocket inside the tripod bag with a handle in it. This handle can be attached to help you tilt the camera up or down or pan it left or right. On the left side of the tripod head, you'll find a blue release button and a tilt lock lever. On the back side of the tripod head is a balance dial. This dial should always remain set at 3. On the right side of the tripod head, you'll find a plate lock lever. On the back side of the tripod head, just to the left of the balance dial, is a tilt tension dial. The tripod tilt usually operates better when this dial is set at 2. At the base of the tripod head is the pan tension dial. The tripod usually operates better when this dial is set at 2 or 1. To mount the camera onto the tripod, slide it into the tripod head grooves until you hear the blue lock button snap. Next, slide the camera back, then tighten the plate lock lever on the right side of the tripod head. You may have to pull the lock lever out away from the camera to rotate it some more. Work with it until the camera is secure and will not slide in the grooves. To remove the camera, loosen the plate lock lever, then hold the blue lock button in while sliding the camera off the tripod head. Always remember to unlock the tilt lock or pan lock before adjusting the camera position. Once you have the camera positioned correctly, lock it back in place. When you put the tripod back in the bag, shorten the handle before placing it securely in the side pocket. Then place the tripod head in the wider side of the tripod bag. The wider side is the one closest to the bag's handle strap. Doing this will ensure the bag remains level when it is being carried.